Stories written specifically for childhood often bring vibrant colors about life. Although the characters may be funny animals or trees, they are all very attractive and interesting, sparking curiosity and exploration in young minds. Besides, they also incorporate small but meaningful lessons to teach children. Participating in the book recording contest Season 2, the Birdie 4 class would like to present a book named Potato Pose at the Park, which is about simple sentences, basic vocabulary, and useful buttons of the activities and things related to the park through a unique system of picture cues. Welcome. Thank you for your listening. If you like Birdie 4 book recording, let's like, share, comment in order to vote for us on Thinkful English Central fanpage. Goodbye.